Hi, Rene here. I have another one of my Disney layouts, and I really like the way this one came out. I did not change this one hardly at all from the design. I think it just turned out really cute. I didn't have the same letter dies that are in the instructions, so I just used what I had. And so I just have these are an older letter die. I'm not even sure if we still have them or not, but we do have some others. So I just cut these out of some legume paper, and that's what you see right here. The balloons, the magical, the say cheese, those all came from the Happiest Place stamp and die set. So that's this right here. And for the say cheese, what I did with that, since that's a little bit different, is I stamped it twice, once on legume paper and once on white. I cut both of them out with the dies, and it does have a die for that. I cut both of them out with the die, and then I just hand cut the other two sides of the camera to put it on there. Then you'll see, if you stay tuned for the process video, you'll see how I layered this all. This is actually 2 stickers from the sticker sheet, and this was actually, it has a star underneath it with a wand. It's actually a wand. I just cut the wand off and just layered it all together. It turned out really cute. I really like the way that this all came together. It was actually really fast. And I love this holographic paper. It's just so beautiful. So I don't have a lot of photo placeholders, but let me kind of show you where the photos would go. So there would be a 4x6 here and a 4x6 right here. Then this is a 3x4. Let me see if I have a 3x4 to put in there to show you. Yes. So that would be a 3x4 picture. So we'd have a 3x4 and a 4x6 right here. And then these two down here, you can either do 4x4s, and that would take up the whole space like that. Or you could use a 3x3. I don't think I have, yes, I do have a 3x3. Or you could use a 3x3 and put it in like that and let the white be a border around the photos themselves. So, and you could also use one of these spaces for journaling if you wanted to. And then you could do the same thing on this other side. You could use 3x3s here, or you could do the 4x4s. And then this is another 4x6 right here. You could also put it in this direction if you wanted to. It's really however you want to do it. You could also do another 3x3 right here on this corner. Or you could do journaling right there. You could also cut down a picture into whatever size you wanted and fit that in there. So there's a lot of different ways that you can use this particular layout, and I'm looking forward to finding some pictures for this one because I really love the way the colors turned out. So if you're interested in the instruction packet, just let me know. It's totally free. Just leave me a message down below and I will get that to you. It was created by another consultant. I did not create these layouts. But I'm using them as a base to make my own, and this one just actually came together really well, exactly how it was designed, so I just left it. Now I do think it would look cute with the larger, she used a larger die font. You could also use your Cricut and cut your letters out. That may have been what she did, and it looks like she also may have stacked several on top of each other to give it some dimension. Or if you have thickers, you can always use thickers on here. Those would look really cute. So I hope you like this. If you want to see the process of putting it together, I will include that footage right after this. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. And again, if you have any questions or you want a copy of these instructions, just leave me a comment down below and I'll be happy to get back with you. Have a great day.